Show me my money like I'm 80, put the 30 to your face and bounce out. And if a bitch got the juice, ho, I'm 80. And I done made all this money, still ain't changing.
Yo, what's good, guys? So right now, I'm pulled up to Wheel Pros, one of my biggest suppliers. So they invited me to bring the Polaris Expedition. I guess they got a big-ass open house today. So guess what? We came through. My boy Neil from Wheel Pros, he's the one that always taking care of me. So look at the rig. Look at how it's looking, guys. It looks fucking nuts. So yeah, guys, we literally just pulled up right now to Wheel Pros. And fuck, look, guys, this shit is already fucking straps over here drying like fuck. Annoying as hell, but anyways, brand new straps too. Look like fuck, guys. Anyways, let me go ahead and get in line, try to get some footage from in there. It was a big ass warehouse, so let's see what they got going on. We'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so we are here. There's my boy Neil right here, like it's my homie right here. Like fuck, hey bro, I like your glasses, bro.
You like that?
You're matching, bro.
I got some for you.
Oh hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
So look, guys, everybody's here right now. So we're once again, I want to appreciate the boys right here at Wheel Pros for inviting us. So let me go ahead and get the car unloaded for these guys. So what do you think, Neil?
Hell yeah.
Looks crazy, huh? It's not even done, bro. We're not even done. Like this is
Just beginning.
this is just starting.
Just beginning.
It looks crazy, huh?
Yeah. Wait till we get the new wheels on there.
That's what I told them, bro. This is like for now, just so we can make it here, but they're waiting. They want to see new wheels, brother.
Wait till we get the new wheels.
Like fuck, I told you guys, but we'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so my boy Neil right now is pulling it off, getting out of the way so we can take the trailer out. Like, they got some sick-ass trucks here, guys. Let's get this shit going. All right, guys, so we're already set up over here. Look at a Mickey Thompson truck. That thing is fucking wicked, huh? I should have brought the Gen 4. I kind of fucked up, but I wasn't sure. Like, we're just going to give you guys a little walk around right now of what is going on now. They're still setting up, guys, so it's not even ready. They're all setting up right now. They got all the guys from Hoonigan here and stuff like that. KMC wheels. I already know I love those wheels. I be supporting them, and they always give me a good deal on those wheels, so I love supporting them. Gladiator back there. But look, guys, crazy lineup. Hey. Dude, I should have brought the Gen 4. Kind of fucked up. But it is what it is, guys. Look at where we at over there. Like, fuck. Shit, look at this, guys. This guy's ready for everything. Crazy ass lineup. Look at that. Like, fuck. So anyways, see, they carry fuel wheels, KMC, Needle tires, Mickey Thompson. That's like my main. So, like, I can get pretty much any tires, guys. When I tell you guys I can get you guys anything, it's almost anything. Look, guys, Smeedybilt. I can get you any product from Smeedybilt. Can get you one of those. I can get you anything that's Smeedybilt. I can get it for you guys. Look. So, essentially, me, I just literally don't promote, but I can get you guys so many stuff, guys. Look at this. We're going to buy this for the expedition. We're going to do that for the expedition. Like, just wait, guys. It's going to be wicked. Look at that Gladiator. It looks badass, huh? We carry suspension. We carry almost everything, guys. Look at Smeedybilt. Air compressor. We need one of those on the expedition for sure. So look, guys. So they're just setting up, guys. But look at this rig right there, the needle rig. It's fucking nuts, right? And then you got Santo UTV just pulled up right now. But yeah, so see what they got. They brought an expedition too. I think they got an expedition too, guys. That's pretty cool. Stock, like when mines, when I had mines was really stock. But yeah, guys, you already know we like to be different. We work pretty quick, at least when it comes down to that. But the things is, parts are very limited for the expedition. At least there are a lot of back orders. Like the long travel, I still gotta wait like almost a month to get it if I'm lucky. I spoke to somebody at I think it was HCR. That's what they call it, HCR, yeah. And so we need to wait, see what happens with that. But at this point, we're gonna work with what we got. And yeah, so look at this, it's ready. Like fuck. All right, guys, so we're right here. They got different vendors. So look, Procom, look at this, guys. Have a bunch of stuff here, guys, that I didn't know that literally they carry over here. But yeah, guys, I can get you pretty much anything from this company, Ready Lift, for Jeeps, all of that. So pretty soon we're gonna be going and updating a lot of our pages and updating what we work on and what we don't work on. But guys, it's really cool right here. Networking, you know, met a lot of cool people. So it's gonna be pretty dope, guys, once we open a new shop. We're moving to a bigger shop, like I said last time. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what they got here. So all right, guys, look. So they also got these lights right here, guys, that you guys can get through me. So this one right here is pretty fucking dope, guys. Look, for all you guys that have them F-150s, Rams, right? I'm assuming Rams.
Super Duty, HD, Chevrolet, GMC.
You see, guys, so we have Toyota, so pretty much whatever you guys need something from them, go ahead and go on their site, send me a DM. I can get you guys. Oh shit, look at that, guys. Look at that. Pretty sick. That can be you guys. Yeah, man, so coming here, appreciate you, brother, thank you. So coming here, guys, like, I didn't know that they carry so much other stuff, guys. Like, I was so naive to a lot of stuff. See, we have like, they have crazy parts, guys. They have like, lighting is pretty crazy. Like, it's dope. Look, wheels. It's just a chill environment, guys. Like, literally a lot of network. I just came here for a network. And then obviously you guys know I have my Expedition out there, but look at this, guys. Dude, this thing is crazy. Packed seats and everything. Thing is fucking crazy. Look at Recaro seats. Look, you got a Denali Yukon Escalade. Got wheels and everything, guys. Damn, guys, so check out this R8. Like, it's fucking wicked. Look at that. Turbo, guys. Look at that. Bro. Look at his wheels, guys. Fuck. See, this is what I want, guys. I'm gonna end up getting one very soon. I just got other goals right now, but pretty soon I'm gonna cut down a lot of the stuff that I own. And we might have to buy one of these, guys. Gonna have to get rid of the Mustang, why lie? Fucking nuts, right? The way it sits. But we'll be outside in a little bit, guys, and I'll show you what else they got outside. We still got a long way to go, so I'm pasting myself, but fuck, this thing is wicked. All right, guys, so look at this shit right here. Mickey Thompson Gladiator on some big old Baja Boss. Some 42, guys, 42. That is wicked, guys. Y'all already know. Always geared up, like if I'm working, but I'm never working, guys, but fuck it, it is what it is. Look at this, guys, this thing is beautiful. See, I wouldn't do something like this to my Gladiator, guys, because I don't feel like I off-road. I wouldn't off-road my Gladiator, right? But it's really nice to admire. See, I like this right here. I'm gonna probably do that to my truck, do that roof rack. But this is nuts, guys. This is really nice, really badass. Look at this, guys. So this is another brand that we carry, guys. Rotiform. They got some pretty crazy wheels. So, like, the setup is really nice. Look how it's tucking the tires. It's crazy. Then you got these trophy trucks right here. Like, I personally don't like them. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is not my taste, but it looks really nice. I mean, to the right person, right? But to me, it's like whatever. But look, for them old school Ford guys, for sure. Fucking wicked, huh? Y'all already know this one right here. It's all over this versus that, whatever it's called. So right now I'm talking to the guy, so you might see my Expedition fish shirt on there and my Mustang. So let's hope everything goes good. Crossing fingers. We're gonna be coming out on that show soon. Yeah, we've been talking with the guys. So let's see what happens. Don't bring the, hopefully we can get the Gen 4 out there, you know? Get some clout with it. Look at this, guys. Needles. It's crazy. See the tires they carry for needles and stuff like that for the off-roading. This is their booth right here. Look at that, guys. Fucking badass. Fucking guys rolling up like a shark. Look at this thing. This is a badass. I was just at the Toyota dealer looking at the new Toyotas, dude. Those things are fucking bad. The Pro, very fucking nice. We might have to buy a Toyota and get a clean ass wheel set up on them. Look, they even got a badass bumper too, guys. Dude, these things are so nice. I like the way they made it. Like, it's like a flat color. It's not too fancy, like too poppy, too flashy, but it looks perfect. Like it sits really, really nice. I like what they did with it. But then right here, guys, like, fuck. Bro, imagine my Gladiator with this. What do you guys think? Get the Gladiator and put it like this? Like, guys, there's a whole shade. Like, I guess this doesn't do it justice, but it's crazy how much shade there is. Like, all the accessories that Smeadybills carries for this trucks. Like, they've came such a long way. You see, I kind of want to get that for my Expedition. That'll be nice, dude. Look at that. Camping things and stuff. Freaking nuts, right? Look. You got them here para cortar la carnita asada, you know, when I'm out there tailgating, you know, somewhere in the rutas. So y'all stay posted, guys. We're going to be doing a lot of rutas and a lot of off-roading. Smeadybill trail, like, fuck. But yeah, guys, it's crazy. They got a sick-ass lineup. Once again, this thing right here will be a badass addition for the Expedition. Remember, last time I had a flat, it was a hassle. Little weak-ass compressor that I had, the Dodge one, it was not working, so you already know. We gotta look at this thing right here. Fucking ugly, but it's the right car to somebody. You know, like me personally, I don't like it. I don't like it, but it's somebody's cup of tea, right? Not mine. But somebody thinks this thing is beautiful. But in my eyes, fuck, I would never build something like this. But it's not my cup of tea, and that's it, right? But other than that, look, shit's really nice. Shit really nice. And then we got the wheels, guys. KMC is dropping in fuel, got a new different lineup. These are new lineups right here, I'm assuming. They are barely gonna drop. Like, this is what I like about KMC, fuel. When it comes down to the other wheels, like, let's say, a lot of you guys like using metal effects, but they don't have that many options. When you go with fuel, KMC, or anything like that, bro, they have so many options. Like, look at these wheels right here. These are a new drop that's coming out in the end of the month. Those, like, it's just different, guys. And then, y'all already know, we got invited here, so, shit. Look at that, guys. God, this one right here, this one belongs to Santo UTVs. Pretty nice, pretty clean setup. Then you already know the Expedition, nothing crazy. But look, guys are just hanging out here, playing. He missed. Ooh, almost. Ooh, that's pretty. Almost got it. Almost got it, bro. So yeah, guys, let's go back. I'll be back in a little bit, guys. All right, guys, so guess what? We just got sponsored by Smeadybill. They are gonna be providing us with the camping, the little fucking, whatever you call it, little camping thing from the top. They're gonna be providing it to us. He just talked to me. He said, you know what, brother? Send me an email. We're gonna go ahead and sponsor you that. So, yep. We're gonna be having one of those. They're gonna be sending it completely free. They want me to make it work on the Expedition, and we're gonna do just that, guys. So We're gonna be rocking that soon in the expedition, guys. It's gonna be wicked. Like, fuck, I'm so excited. I'm telling you guys, I don't do this often, but bro, Smitty Built sponsoring me. Like, it's fucking wicked, but I love that shit. It's fun. We're gonna make the expedition so much different. Yes, sir. So right now we're gonna order some more food. I don't even eat it, but I'm gonna try to fuck it up. A little taco de pastor. Like, fuck. Look at that, guys. I'm not gonna lie, they make pretty good tacos. Bravo tacos. Pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie, they got really good tacos. Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna be eating right now. Look, that's, I don't know what that is right there, but it looks pretty good. They got nopales right there, like fuck. Dude, I need to start doing this kind of shows a little bit more. It's really dope, honestly. I like it. Like, networking is pretty cool. So, on the other thing, man, I'm kind of disappointed because I should have brought the Gen 4. I was just talking to one of my buddies here, and he's like, bro, we should have brought it, but it's all right, though. There's more shows, more events coming. We're going to be out more. We're going to try to be out there a lot more, actually. So we can start getting you guys more content and start networking a lot more with a lot of different companies. We're gonna be doing some crazy stuff with that guy right there, guys. Wait for it, guys. Like, fuck. All right, guys. So this is it for the day. We are done for the day. But huge shout out to to Wheel Pros for inviting me to this event. It was really, really dope. They had food. They had everything nice. It was really chill. So once again, thanks Wheel Pros. You already know, KMC for the win. I love them. So at this point, they already raffled out a couple of stuff. A couple of people want some tires, wheels. I didn't win anything, but I did win a sponsorship from Smitty Built. I'm sponsored by them now. I'm gonna send an email. They sponsored me the tent for the expedition. As y'all already know, you already seen in the background over there. I'm like, yeah. So we're locked in with Smitty Built, and they're gonna give us some other parts for the expedition. So we're gonna be working with them together to make the perfect expedition into an Outlander. Like, why lie? You know, like, we gotta do some crazy shit, guys. Y'all stay posted. We already working with Turbo Smart. Bro, big things are coming, and once again, I wanna appreciate every single one of you that support me.